Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 365 2021 Module 2, End of Module Project 1 assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File preparation. Save and rename the file. Ensure your name is in cell B6 of the documentation worksheet. Step 2. Formatting employees for project's worksheet. Change the worksheet theme to Office. Adjust cell A1, font size to 18 and fill color to blue, accent 1, lighter 80%. Center values in B3 and add outside borders to A1. Change the tab color to blue, accent 1.
Step 3. Project tracking worksheet. Change cell B2 to short date format and resize column B. Format D4 to 1 decimal place and F4 to currency. In F4, multiply D4 by E4, fill down. Format K4 as percentages, highlighting 10% in red. Apply gradient, fill blue data bar to H4. Insert average, G14, min, G15, and max, G16, functions for G4. Step 4. Final steps. Save your changes, close the workbook, and follow the website directions to submit the completed project.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.